Hello. So I had to remove these nuts instead of the main uh, screw and the bolt in the center, because the original one is a bit worn. So I didn't manage to take it. By the way, I bought a brand new set of the bolt together with the screw, so I don't really care about damaging this bolt around here. So unfortunately I had to remove these nuts instead, and removing by these the springs that I'm going to take the opportunity to clean later on with gasoline or so. But that's the way it is, and later on I'm going to mount everything together and then put it according to the right pressure on all the sides as it says in the manual and on your emails as well. So now what I'm going to do is, I never opened before this clutch case, so I'm going to remove one by one of the parts, and let's see how it goes. So first of all we have this part, and then we get the first one out with a number of washers around. I'm putting it aside. Then we have one disc, quite oily. I'm putting it aside, so it's one. Then we have the one steel plate, so that's number 2. Then we have the number 3, the clutch disc. Number 3. Number 4 is coming out. It's another steel disc with the marks out, quite dirty and oily. And then the number 5 is the next clutch disc, also oily. So we have 5 in total, and as you see there is a lot of play in this one. That was the case that I had with my motorcycle before I started to install it. I don't know what lies behind it, but I guess we have to figure this out. Yeah, I think let's try to remove the chain. I think there is something wrong with this part in here. Something was incorrectly mounted or so. So I'm removing the chain just a bit. There we go. Had to remove this part. It was quite loose. I don't really follow why. There was no bolt, anything connecting this plate together with this part in here. So I'm going to put it aside as well. And what I'm going to do is, I will have to put all thing together in a can with gasoline to clean it up. I will not touch this too much. I think I'm going to write to you the video, and then you can tell me what you think it is wrong with this play. The play is in here, between here and this box. So I think we can close the video now, and I'm going to send it to you, and then you can comment and come back to me what do you think is wrong. Thank you. Talk to you later.